social media?
Us.
Us. Alright.
Yeah.
Ideas.
I've got ideas.
What do we got? What do we got?
We're gonna do an awesome filmmaking competition. They like make sci-fi films or their favorite sci-fi scene. They can redo and we can vote.
No.
We could do you know, $1 a dare sort of thing where they donate, they contribute money.
Who's doing the
and you'd be doing the dares.
What kind of dares?
Well, that's sort of up to whoever contributes the money. We could sort of talk to blogs and have, like, you know, if they like us and their followers contribute money to us, we can give them bonuses and exclusive.
No, Nick, no.
A couple of short videos just sort of saying about how fun it is to work on Omega. No, because it's like, we don't want it to come across as all serious and stuff all the time.
No.
We could do a written profile piece on you. That include a sexy photo shoot as well.
No. Oh my god.
It's ridiculous.
I'm your boss.
You're my boss, I quit!
You're fired!